Here goes autonomous mode for what is our second to last match of the day, ladies and gentlemen. 17-29, inconceivably up and not going to be crossing the defenses this time. A nice shot from their alliance partner comes in. Fantastic work from Falcons as now Inconceivable is back across the moat. Driver control is all it took. The Riveters looking to track down a game piece now. Back to the neutral zone they go. While it's their alliance partner Bob who puts it away for 5 more points for blue. And the Riveters chisel away at the tower one shot at a time. 3 back-to-back scoring efforts from the Blue Alliance. They are not going to let this red tower stand for much longer. Still over a minute and a half remaining in the match. Looks like it may be a 2-on-3 game as we see the Red Alliance bots. Looks like Livewire back in action now. Hopefully they are done struggling. As the Red Alliance needs everything they can muster.
Nice, nice roll!
Blue Alliance scoring frenzy. 85, Bob is good again. Their alliance partner once again goes low. The Cat Machine rookies on the field. And we still have yet one more boulder.
Nice roll, nice roll.
The Red Alliance tower. Who's going to do it first? The Riveters wasting no time. And they deliver the final blow just like that. The flag falls down. And the tower has been defeated with still 55 seconds to play. You're looking at a Blue Alliance that wants to set a high score, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic effort as they have not only breached the defenses, tackled the tower, but continue to pulverize the wall with all they've got in 35 seconds remaining to keep it up. Bob now back in position. That's the final 30 seconds are in play. Another powerhouse shot as Bob lines up to go for yet another crossing of the rock wall. Bob was not done scoring yet. The Riveters have their hooks set.